I'm Dr. Marc Watkins, Chief Medical Officer for the Kroger Company. I'm a residency-trained, board-certified occupational and environmental medicine physician with a master's in public health. I've spent the past 18 years in the medical profession, including 8 years in the U.S. Navy as a lieutenant commander, group surgeon, and senior medical officer. This current pandemic is a public health crisis unlike anything we've seen in any of our lifetimes. The coronavirus, or COVID-19, is a respiratory infection that is primarily spread person to person by respiratory droplets, or more simply, when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Today, there are no vaccines or approved treatments for COVID-19. Until a vaccine is discovered, the best way to contain the spread is to follow these steps. Wash your hands often. Spread out. Practice physical distancing. Leave at least 6 feet between you and others. Disinfect commonly touched surfaces often. If you don't feel well, stay home. Keep the spread of the germs down and help flatten the curve. We're in this together. The Kroger family of companies is here to support you while you're on the front lines supporting our communities. Thanks for all you're doing. We are Kroger strong.